This is the back of my Toyota Avalon. The retaining clip right here holding this in place, let me show you, it broke right there. And if you look at right there, there's a hole there, and I need to somehow find a way to put something in there and to attach it right here. So I have an idea. This is actually a transmission cooler holder or retainer, which I'm about to modify real quickly. So hang tight. Hopefully I could fix this loose back seat or front seat panel. Go ahead and turn this on. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing for this thing. Just make it rectangular. I think that's good enough. Alright. Okay, here's what I did. Just made this rectangular. It's no longer a circle. Same thing for this. Right. So we'll see. Let me fit this. Let me turn on the light. There it is. So let me put this in. There you go. That fit. All right. So that's the first step. Now I gotta keep it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. Inserted one of these. Let me push it all the way. That's in place. So now get this right here, and I gotta find a way to drill a hole right here. I'm gonna drill a hole right there. So far I got that inserted, not going anywhere, and this will be right there. Okay, here's what we got. Made a rectangular shape out of this thing, this disc, and I got that right there. You can see right here I drilled a line instead right here. Let me see if I can do a better job. Right there. That's a halfway. I drilled, if you will, a pathway. So, okay, there it is in place. Just a little bit of finagling using this thing. And just drive it in deeper. That's what I did that. That was it. And here it is. That's pretty much it. And just remove that. Make sure. And take it out. Perfect. All set. Whew. Took a little bit of finagling around, but managed to do it with this little hook made from a dry cleaning hanger, clothes hanger. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. But that's it. That's how I repair that thing, keep it in place. Beautiful.